You guys are one of my clients. You guys are kind of on the forefront of implementing workflow throughout the city.
Yes.
Talk to me about workflow and some key workflows that you designed that made your life and other people's lives easier within the city.
So we baby stepped workflows within our city. So we originally started workflows in development services from our building plans and just auto filing and just basic workflows in that. From there, we took it a step further and we launched our HR department workflow-wise. So we made our HR department completely paperless. From our hiring to our training to our performance evaluations to basically authorizations, everything in HR is now completely streamlined and workflowed. One of the biggest triggers was HR for us as a city because performance evaluations and status change forms affect the entire city, which means at that point, everyone had to get on board and start using Laserfiche in one way, shape, or form. So that was a huge initiative just to get HR completely automated. So, and it gave everyone a good feeling of, you know, loving how Laserfiche runs and kind of getting them adjusted and kind of baby steps showing them of where we could go with this program citywide.
So Shawna, I have a unique nickname for you. You are the goddess of workflows because I've seen workflows that you've designed and implemented within the city. Currently, how many workflows have you designed and implemented within Laserfiche?
So I have realistically built over 200, but currently up and running, we probably have citywide around 180 workflows between forms and workflows that are currently up and running right now.